cashier?
A cashier is a person who works in a store or business. Their main job is to handle money and help customers. Cashiers play an important role in the shopping experience. They are the last person customers see before they leave the store. A good cashier can make a big difference in how customers feel about their visit. One of the primary tasks of a cashier is to ring up sales. When a customer brings items to the counter, the cashier scans each item using a cash register or a computer. This process keeps track of what the customer is buying. The cashier must be careful and accurate. Mistakes can lead to unhappy customers and loss of money for the store. After scanning the items, the cashier calculates the total amount due. This includes taxes and any discounts. The cashier needs to be quick and precise in their calculations. Many cashiers use calculators or register systems that do the math for them. However, it is still important for cashiers to check their work. Once the total is calculated, the cashier asks the customer for payment. Customers can pay in various ways. They may use cash, credit cards, or mobile payments. Cashiers must know how to handle each type of payment. For cash payments, the cashier counts the money and gives back the correct change. For credit or debit cards, they must process the transaction securely. Cashiers need good customer service skills. They often greet customers with a smile and make small talk. This helps create a friendly atmosphere. A positive attitude can make customers feel welcome. Good cashiers listen to customers' questions and provide helpful answers. They may also help customers find items in the store. In addition to ringing up sales, cashiers are responsible for keeping the checkout area clean and organized. They must ensure that the area is free of clutter and trash. A tidy workspace makes a good impression on customers. It also helps the cashier work more efficiently. If the area is disorganized, it can slow down the checkout process. Cashiers often deal with returns and exchanges. Sometimes customers want to return items they bought. The cashier must follow store policies and procedures for returns. They check the receipt and ensure that the item is in good condition. If everything is in order, they process the return and give the customer their money back or exchange the item. Dealing with difficult customers is part of a cashier's job. Some customers may be unhappy or frustrated. It is important for cashiers to remain calm and professional. They should listen to the customer's concerns and try to find a solution. Good communication skills are essential in these situations. A cashier must know how to handle complaints and de-escalate conflicts. Cashiers also work as a team with other employees in the store. They may communicate with sales associates to check inventory or help customers. Teamwork is important for keeping the store running smoothly. Cashiers must coordinate with their colleagues to ensure that customers receive the best service possible. Training is important for becoming a cashier. Many cashiers receive on-the-job training when they start. They learn how to use the cash register, process payments, and handle customer inquiries. Some stores may also provide training on customer service and store policies. This training helps cashiers become more confident and efficient in their work. Cashiers often work long hours, including evenings and weekends. Many stores are busiest during these times, so cashiers must be flexible with their schedules. Standing for long periods can be tiring, but it is part of the job. Staying healthy and taking breaks when needed can help cashiers manage fatigue. In addition to their main duties, cashiers may also help with inventory management. They might need to check stock levels and report items that need to be reordered. Cashiers should have a basic understanding of the products in the store. This knowledge can help them assist customers more effectively. Technology plays a significant role in a cashier's job. Many stores now use advanced point of sale (POS) systems. These systems make the checkout process faster and more efficient. Cashiers must be comfortable using technology and adapting to new systems. They may also need to troubleshoot minor technical issues. Cashiers need to have good math skills. They must be able to add and subtract quickly, especially when giving change. Even though many registers do this automatically, being able to do mental math is still a valuable skill. It helps cashiers feel more confident and accurate in their work. In recent years, there has been a trend towards self-checkout systems. Many stores now offer customers the option to scan and pay for their items themselves. While this may reduce the number of cashiers needed, human cashiers still play an important role. They provide assistance, ensure the process runs smoothly, and help with any issues that arise. In conclusion, the job of a cashier is essential in the retail industry. Cashiers handle money, provide customer service, and keep the checkout area organized. They must be skilled in using technology and managing transactions. Good communication skills and a positive attitude are key to providing excellent service. With the right training and experience, cashiers can have a rewarding career in the retail world. They contribute to the overall shopping experience and help customers feel valued.